Welcome to the Knowledge Find tutorials. Today we are going to meet with a new video that is how to create the MS Word document with the help of the shortcut keys. So let me move to the topic. Before we move to the topic, I need to remember if you have missed to refer the previous video in the playlist, you can refer from the link that is provided under the description of this video. I have mentioned how to create the Google Docs and I compared both Google Docs and MS Word regarding the document preparations. In this video, I'm going to cover all and general shortcut keys that we are using to create the document in MS Word. Let me move to the video. Those are the shortcuts I listed. Some of them known about more shortcuts and a few of them known only the general shortcuts. Today we are going to cover almost overall shortcuts that we are using in MS Word. So I'm going to demonstrate with the MS Word. So I'm going to open the MS Word document. So yes. Actually, we are using the shortcut by pressing the keyboard keys, that is the Control plus C, to copy the sentence. Here I'm typing sentence and I need to copy this one. So I need to select this sentence. Then you need to press the keyboard keys, that is Control plus C. Then if you want to paste the sentence again, you need to press Ctrl plus V. Then you can paste it here. If you want to cut this sentence, you need to select the word and you need to press Ctrl plus X. And here I'm going to delete this one. Just I'm going to do the same thing, Ctrl plus V to paste the cut sentence. And another thing is, if you want to select all of the word under the document, I'm typing randomly, and here also I'm typing randomly. I want to select all paragraphs or words under this document. I need to press Ctrl plus A. Then you can see all of the word or a sentence has been selected. If you want to do the unchange, you need to press Ctrl plus Z. Then you will backward to the document. If you want to forward the changes, you need to press Ctrl plus Y. That is the redo function. If you want to save the document, you need to press Ctrl plus S. Then the save this file window has been opened and you need to choose the location that you want to save. And another thing, that is, if you want to print your document, you need to press Ctrl plus P. Then the print option window has been opened. And if you want to find a particular word, that's why I'm typing a few words to demo the find function. Okay, here I want to find the jack word. So I need to press Ctrl plus F and here I'm going to type jack. Then you will see the search word has been highlighted in yellow color. If you are typing Mira, you will find the word correct. And another thing is, if you want to replace the particular word, I want to replace the jack, so you need to press Control plus H. Here I'm typing jack, and you need to replace all. If you want to replace the word under the document, you need to select the replace all. If you want to replace the particular one word, you can choose replace. I want to change all the word under the document that is spelled as jack. That's why I'm going to select replace all. Then you will see I am here. I type the replace word. I'm going to change the jack into fan. So you can observe the change. And another thing, if you want to bold the letter, you can select the word and you need to press Ctrl plus V. And if you want to italic the word, you can press Ctrl plus I. If you want to underline the word, you can press Ctrl plus U. So those are the shortcuts. And if you want to set the alignment of the word, if you need to put under left alignment, you can press Ctrl plus L. If you need to put alignment in right side, you can press Ctrl plus R. If you want to put it at center, you can press Ctrl plus C. And if you want to put the justify, you can press Ctrl plus J. And if you want to create the new document, you can press Ctrl plus N. And then you can observe the new document has been opened. And another thing, that is, if you want to open an existing document in your PC, you can press Ctrl plus O. Then that's the window that has opened. You need to select the existing document from this window. And another thing, that is, if you want to close the current document, you can press Ctrl plus W. And here, before I'm going to close this document, this panel asked me to save this document because I didn't save the document. And another thing, that is, if you want to use the save as function, you need to press Ctrl plus F12. And another thing, if you want to spell check, you can press F7. You can check the spelling. Another thing, if you want to search the synonymous, you can press Shift plus F7. Then Shift plus F7. Here I'm going to search the synonymous for the weight and enter. You can get the synonymous words, which means the similar words. And another thing, if you want to increase the font size of the word, you can select the word and you need to choose the keys on your keyboard, that is Ctrl Shift, and you need to select the more than sign to increase the size. If you want to decrease the size, you need to press Ctrl Shift less than sign. And another shortcuts are, if you want to capitalize your words, you need to select the word and press Ctrl Shift plus A. Then you will capitalize all words. And if you want to open the dialog box, you can enter Ctrl plus D. And if you want to add the hyperlink to the document, you can press Ctrl plus K. The hyperlink window has been opened. If you want to put the spacing to your paragraph, you can press Ctrl plus 1, Ctrl plus 2, Ctrl plus 5. For the single spacing paragraph, you can use Ctrl plus 1. For double spacing, you can use Ctrl plus 2. For 1.5 line spacing, you can use the Ctrl plus 5. If you want to hide or show the ribbon, which means this menu, you can press Ctrl plus F1. Then this window, the ribbon has been hidden. And then you want to show this again, you need to press the same function, Ctrl plus Shift plus F1. And another thing, if you want to open the print view, Ctrl plus F2. Yes, you can observe the print view. And another thing, if you want to close the active window, you can press Ctrl plus F4. And another thing, if you want to switch any or both documents, you can press Ctrl plus F6. And another thing, if you want to change the font size, normal style, if anything, you can press Ctrl Shift plus F. Ctrl Shift plus F, which open the font. And if you want to change the font size, Ctrl Shift P. And if you want to change the normal style, Ctrl Shift N. And another thing, if you want to save as command, Ctrl Shift S. Save as window will open. And another thing, if you want to quit the Word, you can press Alt plus F4. If you want to exit the Word, you can press Alt plus F. And then you had set the bold formatting, italic formatting. If you want to remove those styles, you need to press Alt plus H. If you want to remove the bold, you can press Alt plus H plus B. If you want to remove the italic formatting, you need to press Alt plus H plus R. If you want to remove the underline formatting, you need to press Alt plus H plus U. And another thing, that is, if you want to apply the normal style, you can press Alt plus H plus N. If you want to set the center align, you can press Alt plus H plus C. If you want to do the right align text, you can press Alt plus H plus R. If you want to set the left align, remove the left align, you can press Alt plus L. And if you want to backward to the find and replace text, you can press Alt plus H plus F. If you want to strike through text, you need to select the word and you need to press Alt plus H plus and those are the things. And if you want to remove the page break, you can press Alt plus H plus N. If you want to remove the border also, you can press Alt plus H plus B. So those are the shortcuts. I think you will remember all the shortcuts and you will utilize those when you are preparing the documentation. Then will only you can reduce the time to make the document within a minute. So we'll meet in another video. Until please watch our previous video for your reference, that will provided under the description. So thank you. We'll meet in another video again. Thank you. Bye.